Hello, welcome to my little glitch video. I am on the Drex fleet at Veldin Orbit. I'm going to show you two very good glitches, which both were found by me. First, you're going to this ship. Don't go in. Go in this corner. And oh. And use the decoy globe to get in. Now when you're out, jump on a little thing here, so you get higher up. High jump up on this. And you're standing in the air. You just pressed triangle button. This has never happened before. And then I'm at the launch pad. Okay, sorry. That was really odd. Okay, we say that was the first glitch. Just pressed triangle on the when I was on the motor. Let's do it again. Okay, now when you're out, do the same thing. Jump on this little platform. Just going to high jump up on this motor. And if you press triangle and aim there, you will get to that place. Aim for this place. High jump and go there. Okay, stand there. Aim for a black platform. This one. I think you could walk here too if you want. And get up on the ship. Then high jump up here. Now you can walk. If you walk on this, you will fall through it. You can go out there, and you can jump in this gas field. You notice that I don't have the O2 mask on me. Okay, second glitch. You can decoy globe you out from there. Okay, go here. And when it comes some small walls, you can't walk over, just jump. Go here, and this is invincible. Jump up on this ball sculpture, and between these, and you will be in this water swimming area without the water in it. If you go to the end, I will show you something cool. You can get hit. Yeah, like that. get through those. You can stand on it. Wait, take this one. Yeah, you can stand on it. Then go to backwards and into this gate and go here. If you go here you won't get electrified. And look up. And if you go out from this line you will be okay. Let's look at the decoy glows. Not there. Right. See ya.